In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to your Wix website. Whether you're looking to provide downloadable content to your users or share documents directly on your site, following these steps will make the process simple and straightforward. First, let's head over to the Wix website editor. If you're not already familiar with this tool, it's where you can manage and edit the layout and content of your Wix site. Moving on to the next step, look for the Add Elements option in the editor. This button is foundational as it allows you to introduce new features and functionalities to your site. Once you've located the Add Elements section, you'll want to click on Button. This option will guide you through adding interactive elements to your page, which in this case will be a button specifically for your PDF document. So, let's proceed to the Document Buttons section. These buttons are tailored for document-related interactions, allowing your visitors to open or download the PDFs you wish to share. Now, within this section, select PDF. This will highlight options specifically related to PDF files, and this is what will drive the ability of your site to showcase the document you want. Following this, you need to upload your PDF to Wix's platform. So, click on Upload Media. This section acts as a repository for all the files you include in your website, allowing you to manage what you've uploaded or stored efficiently. To upload your specific PDF, click on Upload from Computer. Here, navigate through your File Explorer to find and select the PDF file you wish to add. Once you select your file, give it a moment to upload. Depending on the size of your file and your internet speed, this could take a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Keep an eye on the progress to ensure your file is completely uploaded. Once the upload is complete, click on Add to Page. This action integrates your PDF into the Wix site, linking it with the button you've previously set up. To review your work and see how this looks to your visitors, hit Preview. This allows you to navigate your site just like any user, letting you check the placement and functionality of your newly added PDF button. Finally, click on the PDF button you've just added. This simple act verifies that everything is functioning correctly and ensures that the document can be accessed and downloaded smoothly by anyone visiting your site. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a PDF to your Wix website. Always remember to save your changes before exiting the editor to make sure everything is in place as you've set it. Keep exploring the different features Wix offers to improve your site's functionality and user experience further.